Photoshop open and image import now. Object selection tool open and lasso tool select now. And select your hair. Please like and subscribe now my channel. Alt click and selection minus now. Mouse right bottom click and select and mask. Select new layer and an OK click. New layer click now. Guardian tool open and color select. New layer select and right bottom click and create clipping mask select. Color mode click. Opacity change your position. Thanks for watching my video.